Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great and healthy recipe, so simple to put together. I hope you all are keeping safe. If you are new here, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you all for tuning in. If you want to know how I make this delicious recipe, stay tuned and let's dive into this video. If you watch to this extent, thank you so much. I do really appreciate it. Thank you to all my old and new subscribers for all the love and the support. You that is subscribing from this video, may the Lord God Almighty bless you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share it to your friends and family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.